Would you like something to drink?
Yes, can I have an orange juice, please?
Certainly. Here you go.
Thank you.
Excuse me, would you mind switching seats with me? My friend is sitting over there.
Sure, no problem.
Excuse me, could I get a blanket?
Of course. I'll bring one right away.
Excuse me, what time will we arrive in New York?
We're expected to land around 3:45 p.m. local time.
Is it okay to use the restroom now?
Yes, the seatbelt sign is off. You're free to move around the cabin.
Excuse me, would you mind switching seats? I'd like to sit next to my friend.
Oh, sure. No problem.
Chicken or pasta for your meal today?
I'll have the pasta, please.
Sure. Would you like something to drink with that?
Just water, thanks.
Sir, could you please store your bag in the overhead compartment?
Oh, sorry. I'll put it up right away.
Excuse me, may I get past? I need to use the restroom.
Sure, let me move out of the way.
Excuse me, it's a bit cold. Could I get another blanket?
Certainly. I'll bring one for you.
I have a connecting flight. Will I have enough time to transfer?
Let me check. Yes, you should have about 90 minutes after landing.
Excuse me, would you mind if I recline my seat a little?
No problem at all, go ahead.
Excuse me, I'm feeling a bit sick. Do you have any motion sickness medicine?
Yes, I'll bring some right away. Please stay seated and take deep breaths.
We'll be serving a light snack before landing. Would you like one?
Yes, please. What are the options?
We have a sandwich or a rice ball.
Excuse me, my headphones don't seem to be working.
I'm sorry about that. I'll bring you a new pair right away.
It's a bit warm in here. Is it possible to lower the temperature?
I'll check with the captain and adjust the cabin temperature if possible.
We'll be collecting any trash before landing. Do you have anything to throw away?
Yes, just this cup and napkin. Thank you.
Sorry to bother you, but could I get out for a moment?
Oh, of course. Let me move.
I have a connecting flight. Will someone be there to guide us after landing?
Yes, there will be ground staff at the gate with transfer information.
Excuse me, I'm feeling a little dizzy.
I'm sorry to hear that. Would you like some water or to lie back a bit?